Hi guys, we received this case for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, which is the most recent one. It has, well, first 360 degrees rotation and 3 layers of protection, okay? So really designed for these specific Samsung Galaxy S9 tablets. So let's unpack it, right? First we need to take it out of here, like this. Now we've taken out. This is the instructions of how to install it, and also comes with the warranty and this little tab to open these tabs right here. Take them and you open them. Okay, this, and it's much more easier. This hook to use it with these straps. So I'm gonna actually assemble it back together to show you how it looks with the strap. You can hang it around your neck or in your shoulder if you need it, and it has this stock for your hand. Okay, you can use it like this, and be using it and secure it tightly. You can adjust it. I will adjust it like that. Now I can have the tab in here, and if I wanna spin it, that, and obviously it has this stand. Okay, it goes like this. You can just place it like that and use it in landscape like this. And to release it, just press this tab here. Now you can set it up once again. And it's nice that it has this 360 degree turn. So it's a really nice case for your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. And also, well, it has anti-drop frame. You see the kickstand that you can get integrated. It's also a dust plug design in here, so you don't get any dust in your charging port. And as you can see, it has multiple protection points, which is really nice and a great way to have your devices secured. See you.